I know I can be what I want to be. If I work at it, I can be what I want to be. Be boys and girls.
My name is Gulaid. I'm one of the members of Iswada. Iswada is a platform that's aimed at 18 to 25-year-old Somalis, and what we do is we match them up with Somali professionals and help them break into those industries that they want to break into by giving them access to the Somali professionals that would guide them through that process. Living in the UK, you get to see different communities and you get to see how some of them are successful and some of them are not. And you do realize that successful ones, they have a sort of like a program or system in place to ensure that they're successful by helping those the younger generation in their community and giving them access to professionals and resources, and so Iswada is literally the blueprint of that. The major challenges that we face is time and resource, and also when we started the project there was a lot of buzz about it. A lot of people wanted to help. When that buzz did die out, you kind of find it became hard to find people that were committed and were going to do what they said they were going to do, whether they're professionals, whether they're mentees. We have helped over 25 mentees achieve their goals by matching them up with Somali professionals, and just knowing that through Iswada they've been able to achieve their goals and avoid certain mistakes. We consider that as a big achievement. When we started Iswada, we didn't know there's going to be such a demand for it. Our short-term goals are just to make sure that we reach our potential in London, but we've got mentees that come from outside of London that tells us there's a demand for outside of London, and inshallah we want to be able to expand outside of London and inshallah globally. The ultimate plan is to have every Somali youth have access to Somali professionals globally, whether that is through Iswada or programs that are similar, or we inspire someone else to do it in their own city. Then that is the ultimate plan.